Hello everyone and welcome to the topic of REDCap. REDCap is reduced compatibility. So today we are going to discuss about the REDCap. So REDCap stands for reduced capability and it is there in the NR where NR stands for the new radio. Now let's understand what's REDCap new radio. So this is being used in the new radio technology and it will start to appear in 5G networks. So as it is going to start in the 5G network, that is from release 16 and above of the 3GPP specifications. Now this will address various market segments of the smart IoT, Internet of Things applications, and such applications will require mid-range speeds. So all of these applications which require mid-range speeds, the REDCap will help in such applications. So we can say that it will address all the market segments of the smart Internet of Things applications. So this was initially known as NR Lite. We had discussed about the new radio Lite as well. So its name is being changed with the REDCap new radio. This mid-range speed is corresponding to the current LTE applications. So REDCap speed is corresponding to LTE application. Here the devices connected to the new radio REDCap channels, they enjoy the similar bandwidth as the standard LTE connection and without adding any significant load to the network. So if we talk about the bandwidth and the speed scenario of NR device REDCap NR devices, so they are compatible with the LTE one. New radio REDCap NR is helping to expand this device ecosystem and it will enable the growth of even more 5G devices. The flexibility and scalability of the 5G new radio, which make it possible to introduce various timely enhancements so that they can address the new use cases. REDCap NR, it helps to extend the 5G ecosystem and it can help to connect more and more devices to the network. So there is also a new radio support for reduced compatibility devices as well. The introduction of REDCap new radio devices, they can facilitate the expansion of these device ecosystem so that it can cater various use cases which are not being served by the current new radio specifications. New radio REDCap or reduced compatibility, this will address the mid-range smart IoT applications. These applications have higher connectivity demand. So with the increasing demand of LPWA, low power wide area networks, this is for different industrial applications. So LTE Cat-M and narrowband IoT technologies, they emerged as a solution for many deployments. Narrowband IoT technology, it is designed in such a way so that it can keep the power consumption at a minimum. So we can have minimum power consumption and can operate on sub-gigahertz spectrum. LTE-M uses the higher bands and they also supports SMS and voice applications. Both of these narrowband IoT and LTE-M are certified 5G technologies. New radio REDCap, they will start to appear in the 5G networks. And it will address the market segment of IoT applications and such applications that require, as we had discussed, that these requires like similar mid-range speed as similar to the LTE capabilities. The new 5G standards, they applies to various devices like wearables, watches, medical devices, etc. So for the different industrial application, this basically allows for different IoT sensors and various other devices, industrial devices, and that require more bandwidth than the Cat-M and NB-IoT can provide. This is about the introduction of the REDCap new radio and why is it required. Thank you.